Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2006 Kawasaki KLR6560. This bike has a little over 6,000 miles and is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great dual sport that Kawasaki's been making for many years. You could take it on the freeway, you could take it on the trails, you could take it off-road, you could take it camping. It's just a super versatile bike. It's been gone through by our service department, been given a clean bill of health, did an oil change on it, safety check, lubed the chain and all that stuff, and she's all ready to go. Again, just an all-around great bike on the road, off the road, wherever you want to go. Throw it on the back of your motorhome. It's just a very versatile motorcycle. Again, 6,000 miles, $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.